Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this surds or root equation. We are going to find the value of x. What we do, we say solution. We write big root of x root x equal to 3 root 3. The next step, we square both sides. We are going to have root of x root x all squared equals to 3 root 3 all squared. Square we cancel square root, left with x root x equal to, when we square 3, we have 9, meaning 3 times 3 gives us 9. Then square we cancel square root, 9 we times 3. Then the next step, we have to take the square root of both sides again. If we take the square of both sides again, we are having x root x all squared equal to 27 squared, because 9 times 3 gives us 27. Then s squared will give us s squared, cancel square root, meaning times x equal to 27 raised to the power of 2. The next step, we apply multiplication law of indices. We state that when we have a raised to the power of n times a raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m plus n. The bases are the same. We pick one base and add up the powers, which is applied to this. Then we have x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 equal to 27 raised to the power of 2. When we add up the powers, we are having x raised to the power of 3 equals to 27 raised to the power of 2. We have to take cube root of both sides, which will give us cube root of s cube equals to cube root of 27 squared. Cube root, we cancel cube, which gives us x equal to, we can express this as cube root of 27 all squared, because in law of indices we have nth root of a squared is equal to nth root of a all squared. Then x will give us, when we take cube root of 27, meaning what is that smallest number that you can times 3 times to give you 27, which is 3 all squared. And 3 squared will give us 9 as the final answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.